Yo, what's going on YouTube? AlexSVT coming at you with another video. So today we are going to Fabulous Fords. I'm with some of the guys already. We got 4 Mustangs lined up right here. We got the Mach 1, we got AlexSVT's Terminator, we got my 14 GT500, and we got a 2V with the Cobra bumper. Alright, so yeah, I made this
shout out to Chris.
Made this decal for Alex. It says AlexSVT. So we're gonna slap this on. Probably like Ivy, right?
Yeah, I think that's the best.
Either right there, kind of like that.
No, why not just like that?
Yeah, because they're gonna be behind you.
Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
so, like, they'll just like see over.
Oh, they'll see over it.
Yeah.
Now, so you were thinking like right here in the center, or what?
I'm thinking like right here.
Yeah. So we'll just use the pony as a little calibration mark to make it straight.
Yeah, so should we put it like just right here? Hey guys, AlexSVT here. I got my.
Hey, AlexSVT here, bro. My Cobra right here.
Yeah, we switched. But Chris is detailing up the GT500.
Making her look nice and crisp, you know what I'm saying?
The G7X. Is this G7X?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do a little spray wax on my car. You guys can follow me on YouTube at AlexSVT. A little shameless plug. Looks good.
We getting a quick fuel up. We gotta hurry up because, hey, how much longer we got? Like 30 minutes?
Yeah, half an hour.
We got like half an hour to get in there.
Yeah, I think we'll be okay. We'll be cool.
Yeah, we'll be cool. Alright, we are at Fat Fords now. We're all parked up over there by the Shelbys. We're on the hunt for Alex now. I don't know where he parked. Hey, are you Alex? Oh, no, not Alex. Are you Alex? No. Hey, are you Alex? No. Are you Alex? No. Hey, do you guys happen to be Alex? No, Alex. Not even Alexis, Alexa, Alejandro. No, nothing. Are you Alex? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's not Alex. This is Alex. Here you go. It's right here. Getting our goodie bag. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Just push it. Yeah, there you go. Pick it up. There. Fabulous Fords 2019. Bro, where's your camera, bro? Oh. Bro, we need to go look at that Predator ASAP.
Oh shit.
Grab it good, grab it good.
Hold up.
Yo. New Predator GT500 2020. That is clean. Carbon fiber wheels though. Hey, that snake is tight. I like that new logo. Alright guys, question of the day. Too wide body or too not too wide body? If I said it right. Too wide body or not too wide body? What do you guys think? That's the wide body. That's the regular body. Comment below, what would you take? Exact same car, just not wide body and wide body. So right here you can see the hips. Nice little hips right there. Right here, still good, but just factory. Damn, that fitment though. Those wheels are wide. What? They got 345s on it, and this one has. The tires on these are 305s. Yo, so I just seen this clean GT500. I love the fitment on it. It looks super clean. I'm gonna talk to the guy and see what kind of springs or coilovers he's running, and Yeah, it has 315s, 3520s, but I want to see what's his offset, because I love the way it sits. It don't rub or anything. Might want to do this on my car. I'm also missing my Corsa tips that I had on my 5.0, and I love all the carbon fiber accents he has. Ooh, he has Recaro seats as well. Clean with the blue stripes on them. Check out this Mystic Chrome Termi with the Whipple.
He's gonna have some fun. More drifting on.
Hey Jeanette, do you want to take a picture with this pink Mustang? No? You're tired already? Let me see your shirt. What does it say? I forgot.
Do you know, Mama? Chris SVT.
It says Chris SVT? Huh? Who's that?
You!
Cheese. Alright y'all, thanks for watching this video. There is going to be some extras at the end of the video. So anyways, we're back to reality. I'm here at work cutting away. But anyways, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Leave down below anything you guys want to see soon. And yeah, some car parts are going to start coming in soon. I have 3 things I want to order. I'm going to see what I order first. So stay tuned if you guys want to see what part I end up going with first for my GT500. Anyways, see you guys next time. Peace. So one of Alex's boys put up with his other boy, and this guy does YouTube. His name is Rush Shift. Go check him out. Clean 18. I've actually never seen one with the red seats.
Like the Mustang.
This looks pretty dope.
Think of like nice, like, yeah, just like ripping through canyons, all that kind of stuff.
No, I'm a full.
Damn, that
like,
looks
stick
clean.
shift type dude. Like,
You know, especially for a car that is fun. Like,